academic excellence on Peralta News.
Do you want to make movies or music videos, documentaries or YouTube? The Media Communications program at Laney College offers hands-on classes behind and in front of the camera to learn the skills you need.
And action.
I'm done. More motion.
Okay.
Cheers.
Hey, come on, please.
You're fighting for her.
We definitely are hands-on. We're all about getting you doing. We get you right out there using the equipment, shooting, and making movies.
You know, I came in here thinking these would be easy classes. I thought I'll just get to exercise some creativity, and it was challenging, but fun. It was very fun.
What I found was that I actually really enjoy directing and storyboarding and putting my own ideas and giving energy to other actors.
It wasn't just like a class where you sit and the teacher's speaking at you. It got really hands-on and really exciting.
If your doctorate school,
Okay.
you can actually be a real husband.
I'll do it. I'll do it.
I don't want to be with you.
No.
I got hands-on with the Red Cinema camera, and I kind of wanted that experience. Gave me a little bit of bragging rights.
A student coming into this program will really be able to know that they are learning on the best equipment possible.
And you get to learn from a wide variety of students as well as teachers, and the training is getting you ready to just go right into the field.
I'll get a job. Come on, please. Don't do this to me. I need you.
For more information, please visit laney.edu. Like your future at the Peralta Colleges.